Today we are going to start second chapter of Unit 1 of Plus 1 Physics, named as Physical World and Measurement. So first topic we have measurement. It is a comparison of a physical quantity with a internationally accepted unit. Physical quantity. Anything that can be measured directly or indirectly. Quantity equal to numerical value into unit, that is Q is equal to N into U. For example, 7 kg, 9 meter, 2 R. Types of physical quantities. Fundamental, mass, length, time are called fundamental physical quantities, and their units are called fundamental units. Derived physical quantities, which can be derived from fundamental, mass, length and time physical quantities by multiplying or by dividing. For example, velocity. Velocity which is equal to distance upon time. Now distance is length upon time. So velocity is a derived physical quantity. Other quantities are force, acceleration, area, density, pressure. All these physical quantities are known as the derived physical quantities, and their units called derived units. Next topic we have system of units. First of all we have CGS, centimeter, gram, second. When length is measured in centimeter, mass in grams and time in second. FPS, foot, pound, second. Length in foot, mass in pound, time in second. MKS, meter, kilogram, second. SI, the most famous system of units worldwide, known as System International. It is a rationalized MKS system. That means in MKS system we have added 4 new fundamental units and 2 supplementary units. Mass, length, time, these are from the MKS system. Newly added units or quantities are current, temperature, luminous intensity and quantity of matter. 2 supplementary physical quantities, plane angle and solid angle. Next topic we have mass. The quantity of matter contained in a body. Measurement. If the mass is of small objects, we make use of physical balance. In all the shops you have already seen these kind of physical balances. At one side we place the known mass and on the other side we place the unknown mass. When the balance point is reached, the unknown mass becomes equal to known mass. If the objects are of a larger size, for example Earth, we have to calculate the mass of Earth. We make use of the formula which you have already studied in your 9th standard, called acceleration due to gravity, and the formula is G is equal to capital G, called universal gravitational constant, M mass of Earth, R radius of Earth square. So rearranging, M E we have denoted mass of Earth is equal to G R E square upon capital G. So now value of small g, which is equal to 9.8, radius of Earth 6.4 into 10 raised to power 6 meter, and value of capital G is equal to 6.67 into 10 raised to power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. Now let us calculate the size of a molecule. First of all we prepare a solution. Dissolve 1 cc cubic centimeter of oleic acid in 500 cubic centimeter of alcohol to get a solution of 1 by 500. Pour n drops, each having volume V, on the water surface taken in a container. We have taken a container, filled it with water, and on this water surface we have dropped a certain n drops, each volume V. After some time alcohol gets evaporated and only oleic acid will be left behind. Now area A of the film, जो परत जम जाएगी ओलिक एसिड की वाटर सरफेस पे, उसको बोलते हैं फिल्म, इज डिटरमाइंड बाय यूजिंग ए ट्रेसिंग पेपर एंड ए ग्राफ पेपर. नेक्स्ट, वॉल्यूम ऑफ ओलिक एसिड in n drops of solution, which is equal to n number of drops we have taken into V volume of each drop into 1 by 500. Let it be number 1. Let T is equal to thickness of the film with area capital A. Now volume is equal to area into thickness. That means A area into T thickness. Let it be number 2. Now equation 1 and 2 both represent the volume. Equating 1 and 2 we get A into T, area into thickness, volume is equal to NV upon 500 from equation 1. Rearranging, T is equal to NV by 500, A comes over here. Now this thickness, which is equal to diameter of a molecule of oleic acid. Next topic we have time. The separation between occurrence of two events is called time interval. So there are different techniques of measuring time. These are electrical oscillator, electronic oscillators, atomic clocks, radioactive dating.